friends, welcome to Jana.Suchendra. Today we are going to make a knife boat. For that we need a square paper. Let's cut the square paper. I have took a A4 sheet and we should fold like this. See? Now you should fold like this. Now open. Now let's cut it with the scissors. Marvelous. I have cut. Now take this out. Now open it. And now we got a square paper. Let's do the knife boat. For that you should fold like this and like this. And see, we have 4 pieces. Now we have 4 pieces. Now fold one piece like this and turn it and fold like this. And the 2 pieces you can put inside this or inside you can put the 2 piece at here or here. Now let's put it in. Now take like this and fold it like this. Now we should get a diamond. Now slowly open it like this. Now we got our knife boat. See friends, we have made a knife boat. I think you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye bye.